Well, looks like I apparently got this working. This is the camera that I'm using right now. I'm going to be doing a extensive review of this great product here. This is my first camera, my first major camera that I'm going to be doing some recordings on. I've never used this thing, so it's just going to be a little bit of me getting used to it a little bit more. I might be rambling here and there with when I'm trying to do the video or something along the lines of that. But yeah, so far I'm liking it so far. Obviously, it's made in China. The brand name is called Vitaler. Vitaler. So this is gonna be interesting. Well, I'm going over a minute now. So I'll see you in the next wave or two. Once I've done just trying to figure out what's what, and I'll be back with you. Hey, so I'm back. Obviously you don't see my face right now because I only got one camera. So yeah, so this is gonna be a review about an unboxing as well of the Vitalar camera that I got recently. It's going for on the Amazon website. I should probably just take a screenshot and just show it to you right now. Basically, it's going for around $34.99. I got it with something else, but yeah, $34.99. It's going for a little bit of a off-price thing. But originally the price was £50 for this camera. So here right now, as it's here now, I'm gonna go ahead and review it and just give my honest thoughts on it. And this is a blind unboxing of this. I did had a go, and the first clip that you just saw, that was recording from the camera itself. So I did already set it up, but let me just unbox it right now again. So it comes like this. Obviously it's wrapped in some sort of plastic, and yeah, so once you take it out, you'll be all everything that's in the box is gonna be obviously here. So you got the good old adapters. You're gonna get one adapter anyway. I think this is another yeah, I think this is another attachment thing for your camera as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So here's the camera itself. So yeah, you get the camera, and when I first opened this, it was already charged up to the full, so I didn't really need to spend any time charging it. So yeah, so you turn it on from the side button here, you turn it on, and that's it. You're good there. And there's a bunch of settings that I haven't gone through yet, but yeah, basically if you want to video record, it's on top here. So you just video record here, and I was surprised at the quality that it records at. There is obviously 4K and 2K settings as well, but I don't necessarily use that. I just use the straight up 1080p settings as well. So yeah, so that's basically it. This is how it is turned on. I'm just gonna quickly go through the accessories that it comes with. So yeah, we'll get into the camera in a bit. So yeah, you get obviously the charging cable. You know how many of these charging cables I have laying around now? I've got so many that I've just lost count. So yeah, you get another charging cable with it. Yeah, and you also get this. This is for the strap that you could attach onto the camera. If you want a quick demonstration on how you can do this, I just basically tried to look it up online. I couldn't find it anywhere, but I found one video that showed me how to do like these straps, and it's pretty straightforward. I can't believe I couldn't even think of this, but it's pretty simple. So on the right side of the bottom right of the camera, there's a little notch here, if you can see it. Hopefully I don't know if I can get any more bright light here. I don't know if I can put on my light on this. Oh, there we are. So yeah, just put on a bright light. So yeah, on the notch here, as you can see, there's a little plastic bit where you can put your strap under. So it's pretty simple. So all you have to do, so yeah, so let me get closer. Hopefully my phone camera focuses. It's a bit blurry, isn't it? It's just not focusing at all. Okay, a little bit. So yeah, basically it's just you put your loop here, the loop end, underneath, and then you just feed it under the the little plastic here, and you want to go all the way up. Then you take this part, the end part, where you put your hand through, and then you push it through the loop, and then drag it up, and then that's basically it. And then that's how you just create that loop right there. Very simple, very handy. You know, very handy tool, so that you could just put it through your hand like this, and it won't fall off unless you're doing something really strange to it that could obviously cause it to come off of the little strap here. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'll just put that through. So that's on the camera. So yeah, you get the adapter, and obviously the camera itself. Then there's some other stuff that's very useful as well. So you get the little wipe, so you can wipe down the screen if you want. Sometimes you're going to want to wipe down the screen as well. So this is going to be very handy. And also the booklet, obviously instruction manual. It's good to read if you want to know what to expect with this device and how to use it. Obviously it's got different languages, so obviously just have a look and see. And then you get the little bag here. So obviously you can put it in the bag. Very handy for me actually, since I'm going to be using this a lot more, and I might be doing some outdoor activities soon as well. So yeah, so you can put it in your bag, and yeah, very handy. You won't get scratch marks or anything on there. And then you get this thing. I'm not sure what this is going to be used for. I'm assuming for maybe ejecting the micro SD card. Oh yeah, and also there is a micro SD card that it comes with, 32 gigs, which is pretty standard, but I think it's pretty cool actually. So you don't have to go out and buy more memory. So it's 32 gigs. I'm not sure if it goes any high, if you can put anything much more than 32 gigs. I'm not sure if this is possible for the device to even hold more gigabytes, but we'll see. I'll try to test it out and see if I can find anything more. And this is just a little rubber band. I think it came off of this, the USB wire. So that's basically it, what it comes with. I did obviously test the video. It seems fine. I've only tested it in 1080p and it seems very good. The only thing is, obviously, I don't know if you could tell, but once you get it, you're gonna be like, oh, I wish the screen was a bit bigger. But that's just only my kind of opinion on it. Yeah, let me take that off now. And yeah, so that is basically the Vitalar camera that I got recently. And so that is going to be the video for now. I didn't miss out any other important details, did I? So yeah, so obviously on the box you can see where it says, so the HD video, you get the 18x zoom, and then you get 64 megapixels resolution as well. So that's quite high for a very decent camera, and you get a USB, obviously USB-C for charging, and that's pretty much it really. So that's it for the specs. I don't really have anything more else to say other than it works well for now at least. I'm gonna obviously be testing it out a lot furthermore. And yeah, so if you enjoy this video, you can drop me a like. You can comment as well if you find this interesting as well, and I'll be happy to bring you more content. So that will be it for now. Thank you for watching. And yeah, if you have any questions, I'll definitely try to respond back to you in the best way I can. And that is about it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and have a good evening or night or day wherever you are.